Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mahendra, the head of the Department of Dental Maxillofacial Surgery and Implantology at Sunshine Hospitals, Gachibowli. Today, I want to brief you about braces. What are braces? Braces are basically what we locally call them clips, which are put on teeth which are irregular, overlapping, protruded, or just out of alignment. How do braces help? Braces help by straightening the teeth out, getting the alignment right, and giving you a great smile. Now, why should you do braces? Braces are not only done for the aesthetic value to give you a great smile, they're also important to keep your teeth healthier. Because do remember, when your teeth are straight, your food lodgement in your mouth will be a lot lesser. Your speech will be clearer and your mouth will smell a lot less. And braces are not just for children. It's even for adults who have not had the opportunity to do them when they were younger. Today, we also have new types of braces. The fixed ones, the ones which use something known as computer-assisted digital technology, which only requires a tray system, which is fabricated according to your mouth. How the tray technology works is that you keep changing these trays in your mouth periodically, and your teeth get straightened without having fixed clips in your mouth. We again offer a large variety of brace systems with us, which include the American Roth systems, which is one of the pioneer systems in the world, to clear aligners from some of the leading companies in the world. So try and figure out whether you require braces or your children require braces, because a lot can be done with us. Just to add the last point to this, do remember, if your children are sleeping with their mouth open or are breathing through their mouth, there is something which requires to be done. So please look into it and call us. Thank you.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.